cars. It's a spin for 9, the Realteam car.
And that is Esteban Garcia, I think, in the real-time racing machine. Yes, the Swiss driver.
Close contention and gets clipped by the Kessel car. That was the 60 car of Sergio Pinazzola.
I reckon second place at the time, because I think there were only 2 illuminated dots on the side of the car as it made contact with the number 9, and as a result Sergio Pinazzola now running in third. The gap is 5.4 seconds. Maybe it was the case that Fabien Laverne was already in front. Pinazzola, we're just waiting for him to come through the next split to see how much time he's lost. In reality, it was far, far more costly for Esteban Garcia. And that car now in 14th position in the LMP3 category. However, the 37 car now being taken over by Alessandro